Hello everybody, welcome back in my another video tutorial. Today we're talking about how to get free gems and coins in Project Makeover. Guys, look of this. This modded version Project Makeover plus application is already installed in my mobile devices, and to get unlimited amount of gems and coins, all you to do you must enter amount as you want. And today I'm going to show you step-by-step tutorial how this application is already working. Okay, after complete, the next step is press button next, and look of this, everything is already generated for our account, so we must wait to complete of this process. After finish, our account will be open. Okay, and now every gems and coins is already generated for our account, because this Project Makeover plus application is already working for Android or iOS devices. So how to get this application for your mobile devices? Basically, it's a very easy step. Go to comment section, find pinned comment with another video where link is in the comment section. I will show you step-by-step tutorial how to install this Project Makeover modded version plus application for your mobile devices. So enjoy and thank you for watching.